Now we are going to solve a probability related problem. Here the problem is, in a blade factory, blades are produced in a pack of 10, and the probability that a blade to be a defective 0.2%, that means 0.2 by 100. We have to find the number of blades or number of packets which have exactly 2 blades defective in a consignment of 20,000 packets. We know that, and it is assuming that it is a Poisson distribution, we have to find the number of packet in which exactly 2 blades are defective. We know that Poisson distribution is nothing but an approximation of binomial distribution. When probability is too small and number is too large. Mean of the binomial distribution is NP, which is equal to parameter of the Poisson distribution, lambda. Therefore, lambda equal to NP. Lambda is also the mean and variance of the Poisson distribution. Lambda equal to NP, N into P. Here e to the power minus 0.02 is equal to 0.9802 is given. Therefore, lambda equal to 0.02. Probability that x equal to probability that 2 defective blades are there. X equal to 2. Probability x equal to 2 equal to e to the power minus lambda into lambda to the power r by factorial r, where r equal to 2. E to the power minus 0.02 into 0.02 whole to the power 2 by factorial 2. E to the power minus lambda, lambda equal to 0.02, e to the power minus 0.02 into lambda, lambda 0.02 whole to the power r, number of success 2 by factorial 2. 0.9802, the value of e to the power minus 0.02 into 0.02 whole square, 4,000 by 2, 0.0002 is equal to 0.9802 into 0.0002. Probability of exactly 2 blades are defective is equal to this. Therefore, number of packet in which have 2 defective blades is 0.9802 into 0.0002 into 20,000. Total number, required number 0.9802 2 by 4. Okay, 0.9802 into 4, 8 0 8 0 4 8s are 32, 3 carry forward 36 point. Therefore 3.9208 nearly equal to 4. 4 packets will contain 2 defective blades. 8 20,000, only 4 4. Okay, any doubt, please comment me. I will clear your doubt, and thank you for watching this video till now.